where there's a guy we need to talk to because he's got lots of cars. This guy's generally got lots of cars. I've been trying to get onto this property for 2-3 years, whatever it is. So what the idea is, we're going to get an old motorbike that's hanging up in a shed down. So it's just up here. The guy's name's Brian. Not sure where his shed is. Where would tell me? It's here. Jeez, things have changed. Holy moly.
And yep.
Oh my God, I'm going to get through that gate.
And behind all these trees is an old shed, and this is where we're going to find a motorcycle.
Roper.
Let's go.
So it's something in here too, obviously there's a lot in there. So we're trying to find an old motorbike. There's one over there, it's a classic old Japanese bike.
No, what you want is this one in the corner.
But you've got one in the corner here, but we've got to move a few to get out.
Yep.
Ah!
King and Queen seat.
Wow! Just need the bike that goes with it.
So this has been stored for a while, Brian, the bike?
Yeah, over a week.
Over a week? Okay.
I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to find old stuff. He's got a few old tins here. Geelong.
So is that the frame I can see with the mudguard there? Yeah. On the seat springs?
Oh, there's a tank over there.
Yeah.
Oh, very good. So what sort of bike are we looking at here?
Don't know.
Oh, we don't?
There's a wee Yamaha down here.
Oh, right.
It looks slightly bigger. It might be bigger than a 50.
No.
Is it 50?
Yep.
Brian and Dave have got rid of some of the bits and pieces that were around this motorcycle, and we've even got a bird's nest on the top here.
Well, it's hanging up here by a wire.
Yes.
Well, that's cool, and it's I realise it's going to come crashing down, isn't it? Oh, come out good.
Yeah.
That.
You've done it. Now you just got to lift that up and over it towards me. It's hooked into that forward two at the back there. That's half an inch.
You are just so close. It's actually freaking. She's a heavy beast.
I twisted down it there.
That'll make it go down real quick. It'll probably fall on me. We don't want that. Do we?
Won't hurt me.
I just don't like the attitude here.
And I quite like your shed truck, so.
It's freaking gone. It shouldn't be heavy, but it is. Okay.
What's it? Is it wired to anything up front?
Well, after a lot of manoeuvring, Dave's put himself in a less precarious, bad place. And
the owner of the bike has just decided to put it back where it was.
Yeah. Don't do that. Don't do that. She is actually in really good condition.
so do we know what it is?
It's a motorbike. It's got two wheels.
It's a motorbike. We don't know what breed it
goes
is.
in here.
We don't know what the breed is.
No.
It is a
guess
big,
what?
big motorcycle.
It's got a gear change
Okay.
up here, so it's getting old.
Wow. So what is the weight all in the front there at the moment, Dave? We can get rid of that piece, just hang on it and I'll help you there. Dave, and you're not going to ride that out of there?
It's almost still this.
Gonna give it a go.
Here's your crank. She's a single cylinder.
Watch your guard, yep.
It's like your optimism. Watch the which guard? You get a spray can?
Spray can?
We can paint right now.
Bit of bog in that one.
Hey! What do we got got Shell Industry Lubricants.
So after a short 5-minute tussle, we've now retrieved this motorbike that we don't know what it is.
Well, Brian does.
Brian does. So this bike hasn't seen the light of day for a number of years. In fact, it doesn't even have a light in the front.
Look at that. It's a well-balanced bike.
It was last used in 1967,
Okay.
and I used it for lambing
Right.
during the winter, and I fell off it and it went into a big mud hole up the back where there's a bit of a canyon,
Yeah.
and we could never find it again. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And it was years later that I found it. It's the brake leaders.
Huh?
They
Oh,
reversed leaders.
Oh, okay. And it goes down the hand.
Yeah, the cable then goes down the brake.
Good grief.
Yeah.
See, a lot of times I say that this is almost ready to fire up.
Oh, look at it. Person's ready to go.
Yeah, well, maybe not. Brian will have this going in a week and a half.
No, I was going to get it going tomorrow actually.
Well, you know you get an appointment tomorrow, so you can't do it.
Yeah, but I'm going to Blackpool. It's going with me.
Just going with you, so it'll be going.
Right, 2, 3, go. Hey, it's blue.
See, there's the soot coming out of it. Did you get a shot of that? That's from up the hill there in the gully where I came off it.
A little bit rough in the box.
It was 68.
And 68.
It's a 500 single ES2 Norton.
There you go. Now we know what it is. Sometimes you see a little bit of the markings on here still. But you see the colour.
That tank's in pretty good order actually. It's not battered. It's just rusty.
Yeah, well, that's true.
It's got the neglected look that people are trying to seek today.
Yeah, I could stick that on my wall in my shed.
You couldn't you?
Where's the top end of the head?
Oh. Could still be in the gully up there, or it could be in the shed. You know,
We could have a quick look around, it might be there.
it was 62 when I did it.
Yeah, I just don't remember that.
No.
Remember it right yesterday.
You remember these things probably better than what it was a week ago.
I'll get a bloody registration sticker and put it there.
Yeah.
If you look at the motor, you'll see that it's a sloper. This is rarer still.
Ah,
I had several bikes up there that I'd come off on that hill, and quite a few are buried in the gully. But no, this is a sloper.
that's how you get an old Norton out of a little shed with 3 or 4 other motorbikes in there.